Hello, and thank you for subscribing to Corey & Associates Accounting, Inc. We are here to provide you with the best accounting, tax, and consulting services possible. Our goal is to expand your knowledge practice of the accounting functions in your business, ultimately leading to better decision making. We understand that good accounting practices are the foundation for success in any business environment. It allows you to have a clear view of your financial situation, make informed decisions, and ultimately drive profitability. At Corey & Associates, Inc., we believe that success in business requires a strong leadership quality, up-to-date information, good people skills, and professional guidance. Our firm was specifically created to provide you with that professional guidance. With our expertise in accounting and tax services, we are here to assist you in every step of the way. To learn more how about we can support your business, discuss your specific accounting needs, we encourage you to book a call with our team now. We are excited to connect with you and provide you the tailored services you deserve.